We have shocking visuals of medical negligence coming in from Bengaluru's KC General Hospital. A dead body was left inside the hospital's general ward for over a day. The body was seen lying next to other patients since Sunday afternoon. The hospital authorities failed to take any action for over 24 hours. Despite complaints from other patients, the hospital authorities claim that the patient succumbed to stab injuries, and they claim to have informed the police and say that they were actually waiting for the legal procedures to be completed before shifting the body for post-mortem. Neha Hebbal joining me with more inputs. Neha, once again, a rather appalling state of affairs. You cannot have a dead body simply being discarded and abandoned and lying unattended for 24 hours. What does the hospital have to say? What action has been taken, if at all there was any negligent action in this regard?
Well, Afrida, in fact, we understand that the hospital has defended this move, saying that, it was a medico-legal case, and this body that, we're referring to over here in concern, in fact, had stab wounds on it, and there was a delay in terms of the hospital calling on the police, and in turn, the police also arriving late, which is why this dead body was, just left there. But, this is unacceptable, Afrida, because we're seeing how there are several other patients over there in the same ward, who are undergoing treatment, and, this is really, of course, a very appalling state of affairs and a very negligent, coming in here from KC General Hospital. We understand, Frida, that, this body was actually left there from Sunday itself. And one of the patient's family members, who actually came to visit the patient, has made this video. And the patient goes on to mention that it was there for more than 24 hours. But the hospital, of course, authorities have come out and clarified on this. But despite that, Frida, even though this was a medico-legal case, like the hospital is claiming, they should have called on the police earlier, and the police should have come and, ideally, of course, cleared the body earlier, or at least, if that's not possible, then these patients, probably could have been shifted to a different ward. Because in the end of the day, let's understand that this body was there for over 24 hours, and there were other patients undergoing treatment in the same ward right next to this body.
Right. So in that sense, of course, the hospital must take some responsibility for this. Thanks for joining us, Neha, with your inputs on the story.